Good day traders, David here from Daily Forecast. It is the 26th of April, Wednesday, and we are to do an update for our usual Brent oil, crude oil, euro and then Bitcoin. In front of us we've got the daily chart for Brent oil, and you can see that the last 2 or 3 days you can see that price has gone largely sideways. We were expecting price to actually give us a bit of a test. We can't rule that out yet. Price hasn't taken out these lows, so we could most likely still get a bit of a better test before we actually fall down. If we carry on falling down, we'll look for support down at the BF 786 before we reach the B low. See if that offers up something. And if price rallies and takes out the A high overcoming sessions, then we start a reversal on this time frame. So let's see what pans out there. The 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, you can see we're in a bearish AB swing. Price rallied yesterday, came shy of the 382 and has fallen down, and we're in BF territory right now. If we get a bounce out of current levels, okay, and that will be determined on the lower time frames first, but if we get a bounce out of current levels, we're looking for price to head up to 83.86, which is the 5-0 overcoming session. So let's wait and see if that materializes. If price falls and breaks the B low on a sustained basis, then this becomes our new level of resistance, which is the A high. We'll then have a new AB swing. The 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart, we're in a bullish AB swing. There's our A low, okay, and there's our B high, okay, and you can see price fell all the way down to the A support low yesterday. We actually got a trade on this. We'll go and look at that on the 5-minute chart, but you can see price actually found support. Now at present we are currently getting a test of these lows. These lows need to hold in order for price to actually find support and then rally on up beyond the actual B high. Okay, on the way up we will look for resistance at the BF and see if it does offer up anything. If it does, we'll trade it. If it doesn't, then we expect price to rally beyond that BI. But the tell this morning is that price needs to hold at this level. We've already rallied beyond the 618 of this little swing here. If I pull that fib there, you'll see what I'm talking about. If I pull a fib from there till there, you can see we rallied beyond that 618 already. So in area of interest. If we do get a bounce out of that level, we'll look for a long trade setup. Yesterday we had a trade. Let me just go and find it quickly. Yesterday we had a trade setup, which was here. Okay, price fell all the way down. Let me go back to the 1-hour chart. Price fell down into the 78686 area. Okay, and then here we got a bounce, okay, and then we got a pullback. So if we pull our fibs from the bounce, you'll see price neatly came to the 600 and gave us a bullish candlestick formation. We entered that trade and we got out this morning with our 60 pips at 81.27. okay, you can see price rallied up today, and there we got out at 81.27. so now we're in the area of interest again. We look for another bounce, okay, a test, and then we'll go long if that materializes. If it does not materialize, then we will not trade. Okay. Crude oil on the 4-hour chart. You can see yesterday price came down and tested the actual B low. Also just came shy of a 382 bounce. We're also in a bearish AB swing. You can see we started a reversal pattern by taking out this A low, giving us a new bearish AB swing. Like I said, we came shy of the 382 and we down at the B low. This B low needs to hold so that price can rally on up to the 5-0 as well. If it doesn't hold and price breaks the B low on a sustained basis, then this also becomes the new resistance high, which will then become the A high. The 1-hour chart, I must crunch this up just a bit. The 1-hour chart is also a bit different. There's our bearish A and there's our bearish B low, AB swing. Okay, you can see price came to the 5-0, gave us a B failure trade. We said it must head up to the 618. It headed right into the virtually a few pips shy of the 786. Price then fell right down to B failure area again, and again this area needs to hold. Let me just check this quickly. Is that also a 618? This one is just shy of a 5-0. Okay, but this area needs to hold. If this area holds, then we're looking for price to eventually take out this A resistance high overcoming sessions. Okay, because a B failure with a price 786 leads us to believe we're going to take out the A high. So let's see how we trade on this. Any bullish candlestick formation and a test thereof, followed by another bullish candlestick formation on the smaller time frame, will then yield up a long trade position on this one. Euro daily. Yesterday price found resistance at the B high. You can see that. Not in any area of interest. We don't even have a thread to bounce yet. Okay, we're also in a bullish AB swing on this time frame. So no area of interest for those that trade the actual daily chart. We're looking for price to fall down to lower levels, which is where we'll be looking for long entry opportunities. The 4-hour chart. Now here we've got a bullish AB swing, A low, B high. Price bounced at the 618 twice, and you can see it came right into B failure territory. And let's see if today, if we're getting a test of that. I can pull the fib on that quickly, and you can see we're at the 618 as well. So any bearish candlestick formation on the 5-minute chart on the lower time frames from current levels, that could be a consideration to be going short. Okay. When I say that I'm looking for a fall, I'm looking for a rally to test it and then another bearish candlestick formation to go short. The 1-hour chart, we're already in a bearish AB swing. There's the A high, there's the actual B low. There price hit the thread 2, we hit B failure area. Thread 2 with a B failure area with a prior thread 2 takes us to the 5-hour. You can see that we went to the 5-hour, even beyond. We went right up to just shy of the A high. Okay, we're not in any area of interest as far as the BF is concerned. Price never ever reached that territory. You can see that. But here, let's see if this is a test of these highs yesterday. Okay, so on the 5-minute chart, we'll need price to fall, price to test, and then another bearish candlestick formation to go short if it materializes. Okay. Bitcoin daily chart. You can see that we're still in that bullish AB swing. There's our A low, there's our B high. Yesterday you can see price happened to find support at that 86. We got a nice bullish rally yesterday, giving us a several candle Morningstar candlestick formation. We're now looking for price to carry on up. We can't rule out a bit of a test of these lows again. Price to just fall down to actually test it, and then price to carry on rallying up. Be wary of the BF 786 high up to make sure that it doesn't offer up any resistance on the way up. We remain bullish on this time frame until if and when this A low gets dropped on a sustained basis. Okay. So those of you that are in Bitcoin right now, we are looking for price to rally higher while this area of support is holding. Okay, traders, that's it. It's a pretty short updates. We're going to be looking for opportunities on Brent oil today, most likely crude as well, and let's see if the euro does offer up a possible trade for those of you that trade the euro as well. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and we'll be back in the morning with another update. Thanks, bye.